Issuing a partial refund on Etsy is a straightforward process that can help resolve issues with buyers and maintain a positive reputation for your shop. To start, log into your Etsy account and navigate to the Shop Manager section. From there, click on Orders and find the order for which you want to issue a partial refund. Click on the order to view its details, and then click on the Issue a Refund button. This will take you to the refund page, where you can select the items for which you want to issue a refund. Choose the specific items and enter the amount you want to refund for each one. Make sure to only refund the amount the buyer is due, as over-refunding can lead to issues with your shop's finances. Once you have selected the items and entered the refund amounts, add a note explaining the reason for the partial refund. This note will be visible to the buyer, so be sure to be clear and concise. After adding the note, review the refund details to ensure everything is correct. If everything looks good, click the Issue Refund button to complete the process. It is essential to communicate with the buyer throughout the refund process, keeping them informed of the actions you are taking to resolve the issue. This can help maintain a positive relationship and prevent further issues. Additionally, make sure to follow Etsy's refund policies and procedures to avoid any potential problems. By following these steps and best practices, you can efficiently issue a partial refund on Etsy and provide excellent customer service to your buyers. Remember to always prioritize communication and follow Etsy's guidelines to ensure a smooth and successful refund process.